Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word and wrap text around it in just a few simple steps. Let's start with inserting a picture. Open your Word document and click where you want the picture to appear. Go to the top menu and select Insert, then choose Pictures. You'll see options like This Device, Stock Images, or Online Pictures. For this example, I'll select this device and choose an image saved on my computer. Once I click Insert, the picture appears in the document. Now, by default, the picture may push the text out of the way. To fix this and make your document look professional, we use the Wrap Text feature. Click on the picture, and a small layout button appears on the side. When you click it, you'll see different text wrapping options. The most common one is Square, which allows the text to neatly wrap around the edges of your picture. Another good option is Tight, which wraps text closely to the shape of the image. If you want the picture to be in the middle of the page with text above and below it, choose Top and Bottom. You can even use Behind Text or In Front of Text if you want to layer your image differently. The best option for me is Square Wrap. This makes your document more visually appealing and easy to read, and that's it. You now know how to insert a picture and wrap text around it in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple step tutorials to make your computer skills stronger every day.